In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the rule of BIDMAS. It's a form of order of operations in how you solve these sums. So in the order, it's B brackets first. I is for an indice or a power, as we know it as. Division, next, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So that spells out BIDMAS. So we need to do it in that order. We need to solve these questions in that order. So this is part 1, and this is the basics. I'm going to show you 4 different ways of solving these using BIDMAS. And then on the next video, we will put it all together. So I've done a little note here, not to forget, or try and remember these off by heart, that when we square a number, it's multiplying it twice. When we cube a number, it's multiplying that number 3 times. 3 squared, 3 times 3. 3 cubed, 3 times 3 times 3. 5 squared, 5 times 5. 5 cubed, 5 times 5 times 5. These come up a lot, so try and memorise them if you can. So the first question is, work out 2 times 4, subtract 3. So let's have a look. Is there a bracket? No. Is there any indices? Nope. Is there any division? There isn't any division. Is there a multiplication? Yes, there is a multiplication. Here, 2 times 4. So we do that first. We know that 2 times 4 equals 8. And then a subtraction, which is here. We haven't got an addition, but we have got a subtraction. But means we've only got that left. It can only be that to solve it. 8 minus 3 is 5. Next. Any brackets? No. Is there any indices? No. Is there a division? No. Is there a multiplication? Yes. Let's do that. 3 times 5 is 15. And because we've only got minus 4 left, we don't really need to go through the rest of it to check if it's the order, because we only have that left. So 15 minus 4 is 11. 5 plus 5 minus 2. Is there any brackets? No. Is there any indices? No. Is there a division? No. Is there any multiplication? No. Is there an addition? Yes. So let's do that first. 5 plus 5 is 10. And we've only got minus 2 left, which equals 8. Brackets? No. Indices? No. Division? No. Multiplication? Yes. So let's do that first. 8 times 3 is 24. We've only got 5 left. Plus the 5 equals 29. I hope you're getting this. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. Brackets? No. Indices? No. Is there a division? Nope. Is there a multiplication? Yes, there is. So 2 times 4 is 8. That's on its own. That's what's left. And the answer is simply 5. So what we're doing is we're going through all these rules when we look at these questions to work out if everything's in order. Because if we didn't follow the rules, for example here, 5 minus 2, that would then become 3. Well, we know that's not right. It won't work because we have to do this first, the add-in, see. So using brackets. So brackets first. 8 minus 2 is 6. We've only got 3 left, so we know that that answer is 18. That is really easy. Brackets first. Yep, we've got brackets. 10 plus 2 is 12. We've only got times 2 left. Equals 24. Brackets first, yes. 4 plus 9 is 13. Minus 2 which is 11. Same again. Is there any brackets? Yes, there is. Do that first. 7 plus 3 is 10. You've only got minus 2 left. So our answer is 8. So brackets, yes. 12 plus 5 is 17. Plus the 3 is 20. This time, they're all going to involve indices. So we have 5. Any brackets first? No. Is there any indices? Yes. 3 squared. Now we know that 3 squared is 3 times 3 gives us 9. Plus the 5 equals 14. Brackets now, indices, yes. 2 times squared, sorry, 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, plus the 10 equals 14. Brackets now, indices, yes. Minus 2 to the power of 2. Now that's a clever one, that is, because you cannot have a negative power or a negative indice. I'm going to show you how to use the division. So we have no brackets, we have no indices, we have a division. So 15 divided by 3 is what? Well, we know that's 5. 3 goes in 5 times. We got this hanging, 6 plus 5, and the answer is 11. Same again, no brackets, no indices, but a division. 20 divided by 2 is 10, plus the 11 equals 21. Next, 45 plus 40 divided by 10. Well, it's the same, no brackets, no indices, but we have a division. 40 divided by 10 is 4, plus the 45 equals 49. Let's think about that then. Don't know why. Same again. So it's 10 divided by 2, but it's a negative. Remember, that's attached. That is stuck to it, the negative. So that becomes negative 5. Need the 17 there. 17 minus 5 gives you 12. And finally, the same. Next one is divide. 10 divided by 2 minus 10 divided by 2, which we know is minus 5. 28 minus 5 equals 23. So that's all the basics that you need to know. Go now to part 2, and we'll put all these bits into one sum. Okay?